हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। हम बात कर रहे हैं कंपनी प्रोफाइल्स की, जिसके अंदर हम बात करने वाले हैं आईसीआईसीआई बैंक लिमिटेड, एचडीएफसी बैंक लिमिटेड, एक्सिस बैंक लिमिटेड, जिसको प्रेजेंट किया है शर्वेश ने। तो आइए चलो देखते हैं और सुनते हैं।
Hello guys, today we will talk about the ICICI Bank. ICICI Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. ICICI Bank is an Indian financial institution. CEO and MD of ICICI Bank is Mr. Sandeep Bakshi. Chairman of ICICI Bank is Mr. Girish Chandra Chaturvedi. ICICI Bank was established on June 1994. It has completed 26 years. Headquarter of ICICI Bank is located near Chakli Circle, Old Pada Road, Vadodara, Gujarat. If we talk about the history of ICICI Bank, in 1955, the Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India Limited (ICICI) was incorporated. In 1994, ICICI established Banking Corporation as a banking subsidiary, renamed as ICICI Bank Limited. In 2001, ICICI acquired Bank of Madura, established in 1943. In 2002, the Board of Directors of ICICI and ICICI Bank approved the reverse merger of ICICI, ICICI Personal Financial Services Limited and ICICI Capital Services Limited into ICICI Bank. In 2003, ICICI opened subsidiaries in Canada and the United Kingdom. It is also opened an offshore banking unit in Singapore and representative offices in Dubai and Shanghai. In 2004, ICICI opens an office in Bangladesh to tap the extensive trade between that country, India and South Africa. Products of ICICI Bank are retail banking, corporate banking, investment banking, mortgage loans, private banking, wealth management, credit cards, finance and insurance. Group companies of ICICI Bank are ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company, ICICI Securities, ICICI Securities Primary Dealership Limited, ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company, ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company, ICICI Venture, and ICICI Home Finance Company. Net revenue of ICICI Bank is 149,786.10 crores, that is equal to 21 billion US dollars. Net profit of ICICI Bank is 118,518.45 crore, that is equal to 17 billion US dollars. Total assets of ICICI Bank is 1377292.23 crore, that is equal to 190 billion US dollars. Market capitalization of ICICI Bank is 2436.35 crore, that is equal to 32.92 billion US dollars. Net income of ICICI Bank is 9566.31 crores, that is equal to 1.3 billion US dollars. Employees of ICICI Bank is 84,922. In Forbes list, the rank of ICICI Bank is second, and in Indian list, the rank of ICICI Bank is first. Tagline of ICICI Bank is "हम हैं ना और ख्याल आपका." Awards. ICICI Bank has won 4 awards at the Asian Banker Excellence in Retail Financial Services International Award 2020. This includes the overall award for the best retail bank in India. This is the 7th year in a row that the bank has won this award. The other awards won by the bank include the best saving account product, best chat box or voice banking services, and best business model. The bank was declared winner in these categories among all the Asian banks. At last, but not the least, brand ambassador of ICICI Bank is Shah Rukh Khan. Thank you. Hello guys, today we will talk about the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is an Indian banking and financial services company. CEO and MD of HDFC Bank is Aditya Puri. Chairman of HDFC Bank is Deepak Parekh. HDFC Bank was established on August 1994. Headquarter of HDFC Bank is HDFC House, HT Parekh Road, 165-166 Back Bay Reclamation, Churchgate, Mumbai. If we talk about the history of HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank Limited is an Indian financial services company based in Mumbai, Maharashtra, that was incorporated in August 1994. the first largest bank by market capitalization as of November 1, 2012. As on May 2013, HDFC Bank has 3,062 branches and 10,743 ATMs in 1,568 cities in India. It was among the first companies to receive an in-principle approval from Reserve Bank of India to set up a bank in the private sector. Products of HDFC Bank are credit card, consumer banking, finance and insurance, investment banking, mortgage loans, private banking, private equity, and wealth management. Group companies of HDFC Bank are HDFC Bank Limited, HDFC Standard Life Insurance Company Limited, HDFC Ergo General Insurance Company Limited, HDFC Asset Management Company Limited, Group Finance, HDFC Venture Capital Limited, HDFC Red, and Credila Financial Services Private Limited. Net revenue of HDFC Bank is 147,068.27 crores rupees, that is equal to 21 billion US dollars. Net profit of HDFC Bank is 26,257.3 crore rupees, that is equal to 358.996 billion US dollars. Total assets of HDFC Bank are 1580830.44 crores rupees, that is equal to 220 billion US dollars. Market capitalization of HDFC Bank is 175,810.38 crores rupees, that is equal to 25 billion US dollars. Net income of HDFC Bank is 27,253.95 crore rupees, that is equal to 3.8 billion US dollars. Employees of HDFC Bank are 1,04,154. In Forbes list, the rank of HDFC Bank is first, and the tagline of HDFC Bank is "We understand your world." At last but not the least, the awards. In 2020, HDFC Bank won the award of India's Best Bank Euromoney Award. Thank you. Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about Axis Bank. Axis Bank is an Indian private sector bank. CEO and MD of Axis Bank is Shri Amitabh Chaudhary. Chairman of Axis Bank is Shri Rakesh Makija. Axis Bank was established on December 1993. It has completed 26 years. Headquarters of Axis Bank is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. If we talk about the history of Axis Bank is one of the few private banks to have begun operation in 1994. The bank was promoted in 1993 jointly by administration of the specified undertaking of the Unit Trust of India, Life Insurance Corporation of India, General Insurance Corporation Limited, National Insurance Company Limited, and the New India Assurance Company. Products of Axis Bank are Axis Bank Business Loan, Axis Bank Car Loan, Axis Bank Credit Card, Axis Bank Debit Card, Axis Bank Educational Loan, Axis Bank Gold Loan, Axis Bank Home Loan, and Axis Bank Loan Against Property. Group companies of Axis Banks are Axis Securities and Sales Limited, Axis Private Equity Limited, Axis Trustee Service Limited, Axis Asset Management Company Limited, and Axis Mutual Fund Trustee Limited. Total assets of Axis Bank are 8.00997 trillion rupees and 110 US dollars. Net income of Axis Bank is 46.77 billion, that is 660 million dollars. Employees of Axis Bank are 75,000. In Forbes list, the rank of Axis Bank is third. On Indian list, the rank of Axis Bank is 7th. Tagline of Axis Bank is "Badhti ka naam Zindagi." If we talk about the awards won by Axis Bank, in 2015, Axis Bank was awarded for the best security among private sector bank in India by Data Security Council of India. Axis Bank has been adjusted winner in the Best Bank category Outlook Money Award 2015. Winner in the Best Payment Initiative category amongst private sector banks IBA Banking Technology Award 2015. At last but not the least, the brand ambassador of Axis Bank is Deepika Padukone.